Hi, I'm Dr. Joshua Halpern. I wanted to talk today about mommy makeovers. Now, for mothers, I really admire them. The reason is they go through 9 months of pregnancy, labor and delivery. They love their children, but they sacrifice their bodies for their children. And for that reason, I always tell mothers that their children should always kiss their feet. They should never give their mothers any lip. Dad's a different story, but for mom, they sacrifice their bodies and their souls for their children. What mommy makeovers do is it tightens the tummy, flattens the tummy, and makes the breast nice and perky. And for women, that's a big self-esteem issue. And the women, after having the surgery, are just thrilled. Most importantly, their self-esteem goes up, and they tell me their quality of life is much better. Here's a patient of mine. She's 38 years old. This is her third pregnancy. When she turned 45 years old, she underwent a mommy makeover. How do you think she feels now? A patient's husband sent me this picture. He said, "This is my wife before you did her mommy makeover." Here she is after I performed the Malibu tummy tuck mommy makeover. This is an operation I invented. This is a 54-year-old woman. I grew up in Beverly Hills. I used to surf in Malibu. I designed the tummy tuck to mimic the teenage girls' tummies that I saw. Now look at her. She's 54 years old. Can you believe it? She looks great in a bikini. Here she is again. Look at how natural her belly button looks. My goal with a mommy makeover is that you should be able to feel comfortable wearing a bikini. Can you believe this is a 60-year-old woman? I tell my patients, dare to compare. Compare these results with others. Here's the same 60-year-old woman from a side view. After her breast enlargement and Malibu tummy tuck, she looks great in a bikini. This is a 45-year-old woman. She calls herself chunky. I want you to look at her belly button and her tummy and compare it to afterwards. How does this result affect the person's self-esteem? What do you think? Here is the same person from a 3/4 view. This is her after her mommy makeover. Dare and compare. I also invented the finesse technique. Here, blood loss and pain is very minimal. A woman wrote this letter about her mommy makeover. Dear Dr. Halpern, I have so much to thank you for I don't know where to start. I never thought at my age, 67, that I could have a tummy tuck with no pain and great results. This is a 43-year-old mother of 2 before she underwent her mommy makeover. Now, how does this mother of 2, who is 43, compare to 20-year-olds you see at the beach? Here is the same 43-year-old mother of 2 before surgery. And voila, here she is after her mommy makeover. You're 29 years old, you have 2 children. Looking like this does not make you happy, nor bring a smile to your face. But after undergoing Dr. Halpern's mommy makeover, this definitely puts a smile on your face. When you can minimize pain, bleeding, and take a patient like this and make her look like this, patients want to have this surgery. Here's a 65-year-old woman. Closely look at all her wrinkly skin. Now how young does her breast and tummy look to you? How do you think it makes her feel? So I've shown you young people, older people, skinny people, heavy people. And look how good they look after having a mommy makeover. How do you feel that makes them feel inside? Having children is very noble and very special. But now you can turn the time backwards and improve your looks, which is just the thing this 38-year-old mother of 3 did. Dr. Joshua Halpern's Malibu Tummy Tuck Mommy Makeover. Thank you for your time.